the importance of customer trust is prevalent, and all companies pay strict attention to that. The continuing adherence to SOPs, standard operating procedures, is just that vigilance. You need to maintain it. I think one element that has come up in the recent past, certainly in the past few years, is the understanding of the whole supply chain and how it could affect what product is being delivered to the consumer. For example, there may be 6 suppliers in a supply chain before you ever get to a packaging operation. You must know who those suppliers are throughout the supply chain, and that information exchange going backward through the supply chain is probably one of the more important elements that companies are paying a lot more attention to. Information about how to do some tracking through the supply chain can of course be found with a number of exhibitors that we'll have at PACK EXPO Las Vegas this year. We see contract packaging playing an increasingly prevalent role. They have always been there and been an important part of the supply chain for getting especially new products to market. What we're seeing as a difference and an important element now is the need for even more flexibility on the equipment side. Contract packagers have probably a wider range of equipment options because their business is to run a variety of products. So when a manufacturer makes a decision to run product A in a given packaging format, the manufacturer may or may not have all of the equipment. A contract manufacturer can help get that product to market a little bit quicker and still maintain all of the validation and safety concerns that are very important in the system. We have some contract manufacturers exhibiting at PACK EXPO. It is an important ingredient in the supply chain. We welcome the opportunity for them to talk about what they can do and to meet with the potential customers that we have at the show. The reality and the understanding is that some of the pharmaceutical equipment is brand new. Other pieces are more than 20 years old. All of it still needs to provide that performance and the safety that you want in any type of packaging operation. One of the most important elements to engage is to maintain all of the maintenance schedules. One other element that can help with maintaining the maintenance schedule is to bring in PMMI certified trainers. Many equipment suppliers provide certified trainers. The importance of the certified trainer is that help that the certified trainer can give to the operating personnel to have them better understand exactly what the process is to optimize the machine. One other element to maintain the product, and what we would strongly encourage, is to enable remote diagnostics. Even with newer equipment, there is a concern in the packaging and certainly the plant environment that a contest is not a fair word, a little tussle between the IT personnel and the plant personnel. IT is saying, hey, we are not sure about enabling remote diagnostics. The plant personnel say this remote diagnostics capability brings in the supplier of the equipment that much quicker to help us make sure that the equipment is running optimally. PMMI is very proud to bring a very expansive and deep group of suppliers that offer solutions to pharmaceutical professionals. One of the main stops for them should be the Pharmaceutical Pavilion that we have, where there is a concentrated group of exhibitors that are focused on pharmaceutical solutions. Networking is an important element in all trade exhibitions. You're meeting with other professionals. PMMI is helping to foster that this year with the RX Lounge, a networking opportunity right within the Pharmaceutical Pavilion where professionals can meet one another. That sometimes casual exchange of information, and I have a problem, and you're talking to another professional and they say, hey, here's a solution, can really help to foster that proficiency and that growth that you want to have in your business. And of course, even with the concentration in the pharmaceutical pavilion, we encourage you to travel throughout the show. Take a look and almost step outside the box. Wander the show. Look at a new packaging format. Consider a different solution that you may not have thought of in your current business, because there are so many different solutions and opportunities to engage exhibitors at PACK EXPO Las Vegas this year.